The sound we are going to practice in this video is the sound la. Repeat after me. La, la, la. La in Luffy. Again, Luffy. Lower. Again, lower. Lay. Again, lay. Low. Again, low. Lick. Again, lick. Lick. Again, lick. Lace. Again, lace. Lump. Again, lump. Leaf. Again, leaf. What other words have the initial sound la? Lonely. Again, lonely. Alone. Again, alone. Alive. Again, alive. Believe. Again, believe. Deluxe. Again, deluxe. Polite. Again, polite. Wireless. Again, wireless. Isolate. Again, isolate. Calendar. Again, calendar. What other sound have the middle sound la? Political. Again, political. Council. Again, council. Call. Again, call. All. Again, all. Classical. Again, classical. Conventional. Again, conventional. Musical. Again, musical. Wheel. Again, wheel. Feel. Again, feel. What other words has have the final sound la? Now let's practice phrases with the sound la. Ready? A lazy guy. Again, a lazy guy. All the thing. Again, all the thing. On the calendar. Again, on the calendar. Believe yourself. Again, believe yourself. Now let's practice sentences with the sound la. Ready? Luffy was believed in the law. Again, Luffy was believed in the law. All classical music is really good. Again, all classical music is really good. The lonely lady was alone. Again, the lonely lady was alone. Laugh as loud as you can. Again, laugh as loud as you can. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound la. Repeat after me. La. 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 I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.